Buongiorno! Today we're here in Ospedaletti to show you this new listing, 110 square meters, 2-bedroom apartment with this airy terrace and this spectacular sea view on the Ligurian Sea. I'm Pavel from LiguriaHomes Casamare real estate agency. Please follow me. So let's start from this spacious and very bright living area with the kitchen tailor-made. We also have a chimney which is perfectly functioning. And from the living area we're heading to the terrace, as mentioned before, very spacious one with this outstanding sea view. And there's also this small and particular library which is quite nice to read under the sun and enjoy the view. And from now on, we are proceeding to the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and one more bedroom with another bathroom.